One thing that we all share is the same desire to serve a perfect quality pint every time. And at Avani, we refuse to compromise in our pursuit of this goal, in partnership with you. If an outlet experiences flat beer, excessive fobbing, or off flavours, then they are literally pouring profits away. Dial Avani SOS for a hygiene overhaul of your lines, but with a twist. The Avani SOS is a complete dispense system reset, unlike any other deep cleaning solution. We use a combination of industry-approved high-quality alkaline, acid and neutralizing chemicals designed to systematically isolate, measure and resolve line taints, infections and heavy soiling. Limescale and beerstone are the hidden enemy of a dispense system and often the root cause of hygiene problems affecting quality and profit. Conventional detergents fail to address this wide-scale problem. The Avani SOS is cheaper than a Python replacement, more accurate than a Blitz Clean, only takes a few hours to implement and protects the integrity of your equipment for long-term sustainable use. So, when should you call for an Avani SOS? Declining yields? Preparing for a new installation? Mothballing a system? Reopening a disused system? New tenancy changeover? Whatever the reason, call Avani SOS, your indispensable line hygiene specialists.